Alright, so we're not gonna do too much to this. We're just gonna do a little inspection because the leaves aren't that big, as you can see. So let's just go digging real quick, see what's going on here. Just from the side. We got a potato there, a little tiny little. Don't see no roots though. What do we got going? Sorry guys, I gotta get my camera game up. Okay, yeah, so there's a little baby tomato. Yeah, we're gonna give that we're gonna wait till tomato season. Or potato season, sorry. Not quite, no potatoes. So we're gonna pull a couple of these carrots out. Okay, that looks like, it's growing fairly well. It's been in there a little while, probably about 4 or 5 months. So we're gonna put this back in there, cover it back up, and we're gonna pull one more. It looks like it's getting hefty. Let's see, let's pull this one on the corner, see if we need to move it. Ooh, look at that one. That's a nice size. So yeah, we got some pretty good decent sized carrots in here, but we're gonna wait till we need it in the kitchen. So we're gonna put this back in here deeper. Cover it back up with some soil. And let it work its magic. Okay. Okay, we got one single orange. Nothing else, nothing. Nothing else. Help me out here. What's going on? Why I just have one? I know it's still fairly small, but is there something I can do to get some more in here? Let me know, guys. Let me know. Go in the comment sections. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I need help with this garden. I need help with this farm, guys. I'm gonna be needing a lot of help. So I need you to like. I'm sorry. I need you to subscribe and turn on my notifications, man, because I'm posting often and I'm trying to build a relationship. So you guys tune in, man. Help me out. What is that? Why am I only getting one? It's a nice hefty size, but it's one. So if you can let me know in the comment section, I really appreciate it. Thank you. Those okras came in pretty quick. They're starting to produce. Oh, this is a nice, beautiful, healthy plant too. So hopefully I get some good okras for a while. Yeah, buddy, so ready. And then we got these little guys. It's not really doing much. Still got a while. And then I got these big boys over here too, actually. Not producing yet, I don't think. This is another small garden bed I got. So we got one garden bed and we got two. I don't know what I want to put on the other side yet. There's something growing there, but I think I'm gonna do all okra. Let's check and see if this was blooming. Actually, yeah, we do got a bloomer right there. Not very big. There also. So yeah, we got one okra. Hopefully I'll post in about 3 or 4 more days and see how many okras we get out of this thing. See you guys.